Hey guys, so if you are also getting the similar kind of that messages on your iPhone, liquid detected in USB-C connector, disconnect charging cable to prevent damage to iPhone, allow the connector to dry. This may take several hours. So guys, if you are also getting similar kind of the issue on your iPhone, so guys, I will show you how to fix this issue. So guys, don't plug the cable in again until your iPhone and the cable are completely dry. So guys, how to make it dry your iPhone? So yeah, in order to make it dry or your iPhone, just tap your iPhone gently against your hand with the connector facing down. So that means, if I'm telling that the facing down, that means if you have this kind of that any kind of the stand, so you can just go and place your iPhone as a vertical just for around just 30 minutes, so that any kind of the liquid went inside, it will come down slowly, and after 30 minutes, after 1 hour, you can go and you can also again go and you try to charge on your iPhone. So guys, if you see the alert again, that means there is a still liquid in the connect area under the pins of your cable. So guys, leave your iPhone in a dry area with some airflow for up to a day. You can try again to charge your connect and accessory from the wall if possible, and then connect them again, guys. Also guys, that iPhone recently issued one advisory, because they have given that some of the few things which you cannot to do. So first thing, don't dry your iPhone using any kind of the external heat source, compressed air. So don't insert any kind of the object like such as a cotton, so have any kind of the paper towel into the connector. So don't use any kind of that to make it dry. Don't use like that. Also, iPhone given one statement, don't put your iPhone in a bag of rice, because many people doing this kind of the remedies to make it that iPhone dry. So doing so could allow a small particles of rice to damage your iPhone. So there are a few things you cannot do on your iPhone to make it dry. And guys, once that your iPhone make it dry completely, force restart on your iPhone. Just press the volume up and volume down, and immediately press the side button. Once you get that iPhone logo appear on the screen, just release the side button. Just wait for the minutes, so your iPhone will completely force restart. So guys, force restart, it won't delete any kind of the data. Your iPhone is on the way to restart. That iPhone got restarted successfully. So now guys, you can go and try charging with lightning, any kind of the USB-C cable. So guys, I hope your issue will be resolved. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.